In today's video, I'm going to be giving you the top 10 winning products for Halloween in 2019. But before I move on, I just want to say a massive thank you to each and every one of you who have subscribed to the channel and have supported me through my journey, because we hit the 10k milestone the other day and I'm so grateful for it. I can't thank you guys enough. And as a thank you, I'm going to be doing a live stream on Thursday, 8 p.m. GMT time, London time. So bear that in mind. So you jump on the live stream, you can ask me your questions and I'll answer them for an hour. Now, before I also move on into the video, I just want to say you're going to want to watch the Halloween Blueprint Store Success, which I'll leave right here. Now, in that video, I'll go over what interest to use, how to build the store, what apps you need, because if you haven't fundamentally got that stuff done, you can't do this video yet and test these products. But if you currently have got a Halloween store and you followed that video, then I'm going to be giving you the top 10 winning products that you guys can go out there and test before Halloween so you can maximize your revenue and profit. Now, I just want to say the winners of the last giveaway will be in the description below, and I'll be doing this giveaway again. If you want to win a pre-made debut theme that's perfect for one product drop shipping, it's already been customized, it's already been done, it's a template of our debut theme, then all you need to do is like the video and comment the ECOM King takeover, and I'll be announcing the winners not next video but the video after, so it gives everybody enough time to enter into the giveaway. And I'll be picking 10 people this time, guys, 10 people, so make sure you go ahead and do that, and let's jump straight into the content. The first winning product on today's list is by far my favorite. Now, the reason why this is a winning product and what the product is, it's an LED crazy effect light bulb. So it lets off this like crazy green flame in the light bulb. It also comes in red, it also comes in a multicolor, and it also comes in a blue color. Now, the reason why it's a winning product is because I had a student of mine 8 months ago that did a product very similar to this. It was a light bulb that had an effect, but the effect was a firework effect instead of this flame color. Now, what I'm trying to say is he did over 100k in revenue with that product. Now, this product is exactly the same, but the effect is slightly different, and it actually comes in more variants, which means it gives you more options and more consumer options to buy the product, which means there's a higher chance of it doing even better. Now, again, you're going to be targeting the same audience like Philips Hue, and then you're going to narrow it down by Halloween. You're going to target things like home decor, modern decor, things like Christmas gift. Now, the great thing about this Halloween product is, yes, it's a Halloween product. It adds a dramatic effect. So you could go around with a lantern with this inside the lantern. You could put this in a pumpkin. So I've seen pictures of these inside a pumpkin to give it a crazy look. I've also seen people put it outside of their house. So you know, outside your house, you've got like normally a light that you turn on to make obviously the outside turn on. People are also using that LED in the outside door lamps. I'm actually going to order one of these and do the same with my house. So that is the way people are using this for Halloween. But the even better thing about this is, yes, Halloween is almost around the corner, but people are also buying this product for Christmas too. So it's a 2-in-1 product. It's a Halloween product, and it's also a Christmas product, which means the life cycle of this product, you've got another 3-4 months on it. So that is the reason why it is my favorite product on today's list. And that is the reason why I put it on the first part of today's video, because by far it is the best product. You've got multiple sizes, multiple fittings, multiple colors, and you've got that dramatic effect. Now, I would price this one at $17.99, and I would target things like Philips Hue, home decor, light bulbs, lighting, those kind of interests. Then you could narrow them down by the Halloween interest, like Halloween, trick-or-treating, things like that. But that is the reason why it's the first one on today's list. The next product on today's list is this neon flexible tape. Now, exactly what this product does is it makes people crazy Halloween trick-or-treating costumes. So you can see here, there's one. I'm also going to scroll down and show you a bigger image so you can see somewhere around, I think it's somewhere here. You can see here, there's a group of people going out trick-or-treating with their crazy neon costumes. Now, what this product is, it's a tape that you can basically flex into any shape, any mold, and it will basically stay in that position. So people are doing it for their costumes, their trick-or-treating costumes. So the way you're going to want to advertise this is you're going to want to target things like Halloween, trick-or-treating, pumpkin, scary movies. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make your ad copies tell people that, look, you need to buy this with you and your friends, so when you go trick-or-treating, you look like the best trick-or-treaters. So you want to make it like a competition about people looking the best, and this product will give those people the best trick-or-treating costumes going. That way people will buy this simultaneously. Now again, it comes in different sizes, so do make sure that you put these variants on the website, and you're going to want to be charging $14.99 per tape. Now you're also going to want to be doing bulk discounts because this product comes in different sizes and people are going to order more than one majority of the time. So that is the reason why it's on today's list. It has that wow effect. It makes people think, wow, that's insane, that's cool. It makes people think creative because they've got multiple options they can do with it. They can even put it on their cars, they can put it around their house. But the main one for this, guys, is to make the best Halloween costumes by putting it on themselves, and that is the reason why it's on today's list. The next product on today's list is this alien inflatable monster costume. Now what this costume does is it makes it look like somebody's being picked up by an alien. Now this product is actually winning at the moment. It's getting some crazy daily sales. And the reason why is it has that cool effect, it has that wow effect, and it has that's crazy effect. And I can show you some more images of the product so you can see it there in action. So when you're going around trick-or-treating, or if you're just going around in general when it comes to Halloween, you're going to look really cool. You're going to get lots of people coming up to you asking you questions, how does it work, whatnot. So it's one of those products that are just insane. Now it kind of makes me think about, do you ever go into like a city and you always see those people like hovering in crazy costumes and people watch them? It's like that kind of effect. So it has that wow factor. It makes people think, wow, I want to be a part of that. So at the end of the day, it just has a crazy wow effect to it. Now it is on a bit more of the pricier end. So you're going to want to charge around about $34.99 for this product. As long as you're adding a $15 profit, as long as you're adding a $15 markup on the product, you're fine. But it definitely has the wow factor. And again, you're going to want to target things like interest, Halloween, costume parties, and then narrow it down by Halloween. You're going to want to be doing interests like that. And the way you want to target this product is by saying, look, get all the attention on Halloween with this alien costume. That way people will be like, wow, I want the attention, so I'm going to buy this product. And that is the reason why it's on today's list. The next product on today's list is this Halloween LED hat ghost product. Now the way people are using this product is they're actually attaching it to their tree. So when people go trick-or-treating to people's houses, it looks super cool. It makes people think, wow, this is amazing, let's go to this house because it looks the most funnest. So that's how people are using this product. They're also putting it on pumpkins. They're actually putting this hat on a pumpkin to give the pumpkin a crazy effect. Let me see if there's more pictures that I can show you guys. So this one's my favorite by far. Hanging them off trees just looks epic. You can see it there again. People are also putting them on top of pumpkins. But at the end of the day, this is just a crazy product. You get those people that want to go all out for their kids when it comes to customizing their house, making it look really fun. And this one definitely is going to do that for people. Now, again, you want to add a $15 profit margin on this product, and you're going to want to target Halloween interests, outdoor gardening, narrow it down by Halloween, or trick-or-treating. But that is the product, and that is the reason why it's on today's list. It has that wow factor, it has that cool effect, and moms and dads that want to decorate the house for the kids and for trick-or-treaters are going to love this product. And again, this one is getting some good sales on a daily basis, and that is the reason why I've added it on the list. The next product on the list is a toy product. So this is a scary monkey effect toy. So what it does is it pops out and it scares children majority of the time. So I can't see adults getting scared by this product, but if you do, you do. But what it is, it's like this crazy scary monkey toy, and what happens is you click a button and it pops up. Now the way people are going to want to use it is like this. Let me find the image that people are using. So what you do is you put it on the back of a phone, and then you put it on top, and it just basically has that scary effect to it. So I thought I'd add this product to the list because one, it's getting daily sales. Two, kids are going to love it because they're going to interact with it, they're going to have fun with it. Number three, adults, moms and dads are going to want to scare their kids on Halloween, and this is a great way of doing it. And again, the profit margin for this product is great. You can sell this one at $17.99 and you can get some great sales with it. Now you don't even need to do video ads for this product. You could do a video ad for it, but a carousel would work well for it. All the products that I mentioned today, carousels and videos would work really, really well for them. There's not much more to say about this product, but that it's getting daily sales. Kids are going to love it. Moms and dads are going to love it to scare the kids. And it's one of those products where you have interaction, you have fun with it. And that is literally the reason why it's on today's list. And a lot of people are not testing this product. The next product on today's list is this bat-shaped bracket phone holder that you can put in the car. Now this product is absolutely great. It has different ways you can target it, but at the end of the day, people always in their cars, people always needing a phone stand, and there's no way better of doing it for Halloween by giving them a bat stand, and they can put their phone in it and it can just look super epic. Now it's also good for the kids as well, so when you're putting your phone in it, the kids see it and have a bit of fun with it as well. But also people that love bats in general, just want to make things look cool for Halloween, can add this product. And the good thing is, people that enjoy Batman, that is an also good one. Now, I don't think you're going to get into trouble with this because it's not the same shape as a Batman logo. It's actually different. So I can't see there being a reason why you'd get into trouble, and they're not naming it a Batman product. So that is another reason why I can't see you getting into trouble, because I know people can say, well, look, it's a Batman product. It's not. It's completely different. Now, you're going to want to target things like Halloween and then narrow it down by gadgets, smart gadgets, and then that's how you're going to want to target this product. Now, this supplier's only got 12 orders, but other suppliers have like hundreds and hundreds, and they're getting daily sales too. Now, this one's super cool. You can do carousel ads for it, you can do video ads for it, but I just wanted to say it's one of those cool products, super underrated product that I can see doing really, really, really well. A lot of these kind of gadget products that hold phones, charge them, do really, really well anyway. Why not do one that has the bat effect to it? Why not do one that has a cool effect to it and actually has a seasonal reason behind it? And that's the reason why I put it on today's list. The next product on today's list are these funny adult masks for adults. Now, what you can do is you can see one right there on the screen and how it makes people look really, really fun for Halloween. Now, adults are going to want to have fun on Halloween if they're going to like costume parties or they're going around each other's houses, and this is a great way to have a bit of fun and not go over the top with it. Now, this product comes in multiple variants, so you can get different shapes, different like faces, different scary faces, and you can see it's got 10,000 orders. Now, the daily orders for this product is really, really well. It's currently trending, it's currently scaling, and people are doing phenomenal sales with it daily, and that is the reason why you want to add it to your store, and you also want to run carousel ads for it. Now, what I'd recommend for this product is you could even use the video AliExpress have given you for it, but I would run a carousel ad to this, and I would run, let's say, 4 images of the top 4 scary faces on here, so pick the ones that you think are the best, and run a carousel for it, and you're going to want to sell this one at $14.99 or $17.99, 2 of those prices are perfect. And you're also going to want to add quantity breaks, because some people might want to buy one for their wife or their husband, and you're going to want to market this in this kind of format where you're telling people on the ad, look, but why not buy a scary face for your costume party? Why not buy this to scare the kids? You're going to want to basically target adults for this product because it is an adult product, and you're just going to want to say, look, buy it for either scaring the kids or buy it for going to like Halloween parties or costume parties. That way people are going to want to buy it, and that is the reason why it's on today's list. Also, there's multiple options, so if somebody doesn't like that one, there's another 6 or 8 options they've got to pick between, which means there's a higher chance of them buying, and that is the reason why it's on today's list. The next product on today's list is this Halloween horror school mask. Now, the reason why I put this on my list is because these masks always do really, really well, whether it be for people that ride a motorbike, whether it's for people that go around doing trick-or-treating. Now, there was an LED mask that's been going crazy, and it always goes crazy every Halloween. Now, I didn't put that one on today's list because it's super oversaturated. Too many people are doing it. Now, this is a good alternative to that, and at the end of the day, it's not saturated. It's actually trending at the moment. It's starting to get really good daily sales, but it's not as saturated as that LED mask people are doing. Now, it comes in a variety, and that's the key, of options, which means it gives people different options when it comes to Halloween. Now, you can target motorcyclists that ride a bike. You can target trick-or-treaters. There's just so much you can do with this product, and you don't even need to do videos for it. You can do a carousel ad for it and pick the top pictures for it, and that's literally all you need to do. And the way you want to approach this is you want to write ad copy saying, look the scariest for Halloween, make you stand out for Halloween, make it look cool when you're riding a motorcycle for Halloween. At the end of the day, there's so many variants that you can market this to the target market at, and by giving people different options means there's a higher chance of finding a winner by doing this, and that is the reason why it's on today's list. And you're going to want to price this one at $17.99. You're going to want to do bulk. You're going to want to do bulk discounts because people might want to order a few for different days. But that is the reason why it's on today's list. Last product on today's list is this Halloween decoration fake knife attack, scissor attack, needle attack costume. So you can see here what I'm trying to explain. I can't really explain it with words, but it basically makes it look like you've been attacked with a scissor or a knife or a needle. Now these products are doing insanely well. Now this is one of the suppliers out of many that are selling this product. Now the main supplier that's selling this product's got like 5,000 orders. They're getting like 20, 30 daily sales. So that's the reason why it's on today's list. And at the end of the day, you can get some of these kind of products from your local Walmart. But this AliExpress supplier has way more than what Walmart's going to give you. They give you more options, more different options in terms of the way you want it to be, whether it be a knife, whether it be a pair of scissors, whether it be a needle, whether it be a spider, whether it be whatever. They give you more than what most people give you at the end of the day, and it's going to be a lot cheaper than them buying it from Walmart. And that is the reason why it's on today's list. You can just use a carousel ad for this. You don't even need to do a video. You can just run carousel ad. You can even just do a single image ad and just use literally just use this image right here, and you'll do really, really well as long as your ad copy is good and as long as your descriptions and your website looks good. All you need to do in the ad copy is say, look the scariest for Halloween. That's literally all you need to say. That way people are thinking, I want to look the best, I want to look the scariest for Halloween. Why not buy one of these? And you're going to want to price these at $17.99, and your ad copy needs to be about looking the scariest, looking the best, looking the overdressed. If people are going to costume parties, looking the best out of their friends. So if you're going as a group of 4 to a costume party, you're wanting to look the best, then you need to buy this. And that's how you want to perceive it when you're selling it to people. And that is the key. The key with all of these products is about ad copies and the way you approach it to the target market, making them think about, yes, that is why I need to buy it. And that's the reason why this one's on today's list. It's got daily sales. It's starting to scale. You've got multiple options, and you've got a good room for average order value if people order more than one. And that is, like I said, the reason why it's on today's list. Now, that is it for today's video. If you appreciate this short, sweet video, make sure you like the video and you leave a comment.